Assalamualaikum dear students, this is your computer science lecture. We are doing chapter number 3, office automation, page number 74 till page number 86. Students, our today's topic is how to edit or how to format your word page. So first option is how to copy, cut, paste and move the text. For copying the text, we know that we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus C. So what are the steps for copying the text? You have to just select the text by dragging with the mouse. When your text is selected, just press this key Ctrl plus C. Your text will be copied. After copying the text, you need to paste it at somewhere. For pasting the text, move the cursor to the place where you want to paste the text and press the shortcut key Ctrl plus V. The same thing goes for cut command. For cutting some text from your document, you need to press Ctrl plus X. One thing which I need to mention over here is that your Ctrl plus V or paste command is disabled, or it does not work until you have copied or cut some text from your Word document. Or you can say that Ctrl plus C or Ctrl plus X are the prerequisites for pasting something. Because जब तक कि आपने कोई चीज़ कॉपी या कट नहीं की हुई, how you can paste it at somewhere. That's why we say that Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus X or Ctrl plus X will be used first. After that you can use this command Ctrl plus V for pasting something. Our next topic is to insert the equation or any type of symbol in the Word document. We have done this thing so many times in our previous classes. We know how to insert the equation and how to insert the symbol in Word document. Here it is just a revision. What you need to do, you need to go to the insert tab. There are different tabs available. आपके पास होम की टैब होती है, इंसर्ट की होती है, पेज लेआउट की होती है. सो फ्रॉम द अबव 9 tabs, just move to the insert tab. After that, click on equation and then choose any equation that you want to insert. You have also option to customize the equation if you want. So you can also have the option to put some customized equation using the symbols given in the Word. Now our next topic is about the formatting. You will read different things about formatting text, formatting paragraphs and formatting page. But what does actually formatting means? Formatting means to change the appearance of the document. So in simple words, you can say make your document more appealing, more attractive and more decent. You need to format the text. There is a difference between editing and there is a difference between formatting. Remember, editing means to add something or to delete something from your document. To modify your document is actually editing. But changing the appearance means by changing the margins of the page, by changing the color of the text, by changing the font type, font style. These all things are included in the formatting. So you have the option that you can format the text by choosing the text, or by choosing the any sentence from your Word document. You can change the font size, you can change the font color, and you can give different effects to your text. Then we have paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting also refers to change of format of paragraph. Your paragraph formatting actually has two main things. Number one is the alignment and number two is indentation. Alignment refers to align with respect to right and the left margins. That how you want to make your paragraph align with the right and the left margins. There are different options. Number one is align left, in which your text will align with the left margin. You can also choose the option center. It will center the text within the left and the right margins. Then we have align right, which will align the text to the right margin. And justify, it will align the text both to the left and the right margins. Then we have in formatting we have page formatting. This refers to changing the entire page appearance. That is known as page formatting. In page formatting, we have one basic thing, that is about the page orientation. What is page orientation? That how your page looks like or appear on the screen. So there are two options in page orientation. Number one is portrait and number two is landscape. Portrait is page orientation in which the height of a page is greater than the width of your page, and landscape is a page orientation in which your width is greater than the height. Then there are two basic things in page formatting, which is page break and section break. What is page break and section break? Page break and section breaks allows you to add a new page into the document. But what is the difference between the two? The difference is that page breaks adds a new page without changing in formatting. It will keep your formatting same in the next page. But what does section break do? Section break also inserts a new page, but it allows you to change the formatting of the page. When you insert the section break, you can change the formatting of your page. Then we have two things, that how to insert header and the footer. For this purpose, go to the insert tab, choose header or choose footer according to your on demand, and just put your text that you want to put in the header and footer. But what is header and footer? Header is the information that appears at the top of your page. We call it as header. And footer is the information that appears at the bottom of the page. This type of information can include your chapter name, chapter title, your page number, your company name, your logo, etc. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.